Hello ladies and welcome to today's Behind the Seams. Today is our Friday favorites and we'll let you know where we're off to.
Welcome lovelies. Well, we're all decked out to go out.
In Greece's.
In Greece's. Oh my.
Whew, pure luxury,
Ooh.
ladies.
I love this little jacket.
It is so darling.
It's so adorable.
That
I
is
have to
the
show
color
you the
for
back.
you, eh?
It is.
That's that linen too that you had in that summer, the summer.
That's it.
I know. That's. Oh, sorry, ladies. I got our wheels turning. It's gonna end up in our
No.
closet this afternoon.
No, but this is
It's
exquisite.
so beautiful.
It's the dress, right?
Yeah, it's sort of a tunic dress, we called it. Dress length for sure, but you can wear it like
Oh,
a
for
Lousje
sure.
with leggings. Love that look.
Yeah. Nice pockets.
Yeah, so classy, Mom.
So classy. And then this adorable little jacket that gives you a little shape. I love that.
It's a little more fitted.
And it's a little more fitted. It's got a really nice design they did.
Yeah, let's see the back. And then they have their little slit here, which they're so classic for.
I love that.
Ladies, Lousje's wearing the extra small, so you can see how fitted it is. So, I mean, we've had it where people are sizing up in this jacket, just so you know.
Yes, yeah.
Because you do want it fitted, but you want to be able to have some room
To move.
Yeah.
It does have quite a bit of stretch, I find, this fabric.
Yeah, just the
That's
way
a little
that
bit of an accordion pleat. Right?
Yeah.
And then I found this gorgeous scarf, Tessa.
They're all made in India, beautiful silks and viscoses. We only were able to get a few, so we didn't really do a whole video on them, but we're gonna pepper them in here and there, but you can see them on the website and they're for sale right now. Like they're beautiful.
Beautiful.
Stunner.
Beautiful. Stunner.
This is silk. Look at gorgeous, 100%
Yeah.
silk. And great price point too.
Yeah. And I love this necklace.
I know. Those the majestic.
Beautiful.
That's beautiful with that
It's
jacket.
gorgeous,
Looks
and
perfect.
it is a clip-on, but there's quite a few loops that you can hook it, so you can make it a little longer, a little shorter. But I love it. And what, oh, Siska, the bubbling pearls.
Your wedding
My
earrings.
wedding earrings. And the bracelets.
I love that you doubled them up.
Yeah,
Super cool.
super
Nice
cool.
and chunky.
And super cool.
Beautiful. Love it, Mom. You look fabulous. And then she has her beautiful lipstick, fuchsia ladies, to pick up the scarf.
Yeah.
And crop leggings.
This is my color wheel. This is your color wheel. No, it's true. We all
funny.
have our color wheel, right?
I
But
know.
love
It is
the fuchsia too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then oatmeal too is your other
Oh
strong.
yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
So let's
So
talk
for
about
me,
you.
yes, we still have a few left. These are the crinkle. I did reorder, ladies. So if your size is not there, they are coming. This is the crinkle dress from Greece's.
It's so cute. Tie-dye.
Yeah, beautiful with
Yeah.
silk.
Silk
It's-
and cotton.
yeah,
Oh, it has
little cap
sleeves.
sleeve. Yeah. But I'm wearing the ladder strap that we
Oh,
just
from
unboxed.
Boris.
And look how cute.
Oh my God, that's adorable.
Isn't that adorable?
Yeah,
So this is the perfect cover, ladies.
Yeah, year-round perfect cover, right?
Yeah, year-round perfect cover. I have one in my wardrobe and I just wear it with everything. But look at this as a cap.
Yeah,
Yeah, nice, eh? It's beautiful.
it's adorable.
And then I picked the wraps from Sriglio, one of my faves.
yeah,
It's one of those that just always looks good on everything. And then earrings too.
you're also a Cleo and a ring. Wow.
Yeah, look at my nails on you.
Yes.
Look how pretty that is.
It's beautiful. Look at my nails on you.
yeah,
mine-
that's pretty
Mine
too.
is called geranium. Look
Oh,
how
it is
beautiful.
gorgeous.
Yes.
And then ladies, I have the bleu fleuret charcoal gray tights. How
Tights.
cool are those? So we are off to a beautiful restaurant here in Niagara that we're so lucky to have. Me and Lousje are going to go for dinner.
It's in Vineland, right?
It's in Vineland. Yeah, it's on Highway 8, which is like
Old Highway 8?
Old Highway 8, King Street and Vineland, King Street and Victoria.
Yes,
And
right.
it is called Just Cooking.
Yes.
When you go, if you've been, the octopus.
Do you have to make
Appetizer.
reservations?
Yes, it's very
Yes.
busy.
Yes.
It's wonderful.
Sorry, the octopus. Go on. I
Yeah,
was
no,
so
appetizer
excited.
octopus. Oh my, it's so good. If you like octopus. So they're cute. I don't like to eat them. I think it's the sad how
there are a lot of
I
cute
know.
animals that we shouldn't eat, but
I know. Do you have pockets in your
I
tunic?
do.
Oh, perfect.
I do,
Yeah,
I
me
do, I
too.
do.
That,
Yeah.
I mean, look at that's it. I always talk about that, like when you're just talking to someone, you know.
yeah,
That's what pockets are for. Just
true.
To have
Put
a
your hand
place
somewhere.
Yeah, because otherwise you feel kind of
Yeah.
nakedy, like,
Yeah.
hi. I'm joking. Anyways, but yeah, what's interesting about Just Cooking is it used to be called About Time Bistro.
Right.
If you ladies are local and you
A few
remember.
years ago.
Years ago.
Years.
And I used to work there, which, Mom, would have been 20 years ago, because when we started the business, I worked there.
Yeah.
So 20 years ago, About Time Bistro was there.
Oh my goodness, can you imagine?
And I worked there for maybe a year and a bit. And
Yeah.
I just waitressed a few times a week and I loved it. It was great. He made the best duck breast ever.
Yeah.
And he would make
Yeah,
it for
I
us
remember
sometimes
that.
after our shift.
I
And it was
remember
like
that.
heaven on earth.
Yeah, I remember.
So that was when we started the business. How old was I? Like 23, 24, 25?
Oh, you did the math.
I don't know.
Well, you had Ruby. Did you have Oscar already?
No.
No. you
Ruby, I was 28. So yeah, I was about 26.
had- yeah.
So lady, I wanted to quiz you on what your job was.
Well, in Amsterdam?
Yeah, I would say, because you were 19 when you
as
moved
a
here.
teenager. Yeah. So I worked in the HEMA. The HEMA is a department store in the Netherlands. It's actually quite funky. eh?
Yeah, we
Very
love the
nice
Hamer. We always
fabrics.
go.
We always go
Even
to the
now.
HEMA. It's not like comparable to the Bay that we used to have, but it's a small department store, but they sell everything and the quality is good and it's very well priced.
We like to get our hempius there.
Our hempies, our little camisoles and underwear. I bought undies the
Yeah.
other year. Very good
they have cool
makeup,
socks.
really cool socks, all kinds of
And
cool stuff.
slingers.
And garlands for when
Dutch
it's your
slingers.
birthday.
Yeah,
But
that's always my request.
yeah, last time I came back with a suitcase full of garlands for everybody. But they have also a food department. They have pastries and anyway, they have hot sausage.
Oh yeah,
You know?
yeah.
There's a big pot and they cook the sausage and then you can have half
They
a
boil it?
sausage, quarter. And oh my goodness, I
So
hated
good.
it.
Oh,
Yeah.
you hated it.
Oh, to work there was awful.
Oh, is that what you did?
Yes.
You did the
In the
sausage?
Kalverstraat, yeah.
You worked in the food department?
I had to work in the sausage department and I hated it because you had
you
to.
must have smelled too when you came home.
Oh, my hair, everything. And then you had to, and they would say, give me half a sausage. You had to fish it out and cut it in half. Well, I did it once and the grease sprayed on this man's tie.
Oh shoot.
And he had a hairy canary. He made me feel like this little.
Oh.
And then I was removed from the sausage department and I had to put the whipping cream on the cakes.
Oh, I would love that.
I hated that too.
What?
It's so precise.
That's
Tessa.
so
Oh,
fun.
the little dainty.
Oh my God, you're so.
And then I quit because I didn't.
What'd your
was
parents
not-
say?
My
Your
parents.
mom, your Oma was so sweet. She probably said, "Oh, it's okay, sweetie." No
Of
problem."
course, my parents just, I don't even know half the time they knew what I was doing. They just let you go. And Cinta and I, my friend Cinta, we became a chambermaid at one of the huge hotels next to the Grand Central Station. We had to clean rooms, make beds.
Did you guys have fun?
We had so much fun.
Did you sneak? Did you peek in everybody's stuff?
Yeah.
Can you imagine? That's what I think of, ladies. Oh my God, it's so
Oh,
funny.
yeah, we
Well, I
had a
could just
great
imagine
time.
you were probably 17 or something, right?
Yeah, we were
18,
16.
And you're probably just like,
We 16. And then in the summertime, we worked for this restaurant on the beach.
oh, nice.
And we were not allowed to serve alcohol or serve, and all they do is serve alcohol and stuff. So we were like, what you call them, bussers, right?
Yeah.
Clean off the tables, set the
Hosts,
tables, and we met quite a few young men there. And because we slept over, you know, we were intern. The hotel had a barn behind it, and where they stored things, and then the top was an attic with a few beds. And Cinta and I were there, and we had a lot
Oh
of
my
fun.
God, you must have had so much fun.
So much fun. And my parents,
Yeah. Well, ladies, she was the fourth daughter,
yeah,
right? And she was 9 years apart.
10 with my
So,
sister.
3 older sisters, and then 10 years, and then Lousje. So by
They
that
were
point,
married, and my parents were okay.
It's funny because for me growing up, I have 3 older brothers.
Similar.
And by the time, you know, for me, my friends always wanted to hang out at our house because we could do whatever we wanted. We were good though.
You were
But we
good.
didn't really
Nothing
have
crazy.
curfews. We weren't, because, you know, I was responsible and you
Yeah, we
trusted me.
trusted you, and your brothers looked after you if you went. I'm sure she has.
Jess is watching. Jess, don't tell her.
Jess, you know you want my ring? Well, you better tell me a few
Fess up.
stories.
Oh my God. Anyway, so much
We're
fun.
getting sidetracked.
Yeah, okay. Well,
So-
that was fun. So we are going to just cooking.
Yeah, because Tessa told me we should go because it's so nice. The food is amazing.
Yes, it's delicious.
reason-
Yeah, it's absolutely wonderful. And it's all home. Like in the Caesar salad is like so, it's all homemade and
Yeah.
you know,
clean.
anchovies.
Oh,
so
love it,
good.
love
Yeah,
it.
wonderful. Great servers. It was just a wonderful, it's always been a wonderful experience. I love it there. So yeah, and it's fun for me because I kind of look around. They've changed it a lot since
The
I was
decor.
there.
Yeah.
Yeah, of course, and structural too a little bit. But it's funny when I walk down to the washrooms and then to the right is like this room, and that was our staff room. And then I'm looking like, so
Yeah,
I'm
that's
always,
so
you know,
cool.
it's kind of fun
Yeah,
because I remember it. But I used to love working there, and a lot of the winery owners would
Yes.
come in and have dinner there Friday and
That's
Saturday
right,
nights because
yeah.
it was the place to go there
Yeah.
in the bench.
All the
And,
local wines, right? they
yeah,
served,
so I
yeah.
had, you know, so it's nice.
So if you're in the area, if you live here, of course, go. If you're visiting, keep it in mind.
Yeah, absolutely.
What's it called again?
Just cooking.
Just cooking.
Yeah. All right, ladies. Well, we hope you have an amazing Friday and enjoy your weekend. Watch out for Lousje on the couch on Sunday. And tomorrow we have our rewind. Stay tuned and get excited video to give you a little sneak peek into what's going to happen next week. Hit a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. And as always,
Keep on smiling.